Hello students, welcome you all to my educational channel enGmaT Academy. Today the topic of my video is English grammar voice change. But before starting the video, I would like to inform the viewers that my videos are meant for education only. So if you are uninterested in learning English, please skip the video right away. Okay? Now, let's begin with the video. English grammar voice change. Voice change with modal verbs or modal auxiliary. Passive voice structure. Passive voice structure. Object plus modal auxiliary plus be plus past participle verb plus by plus subject plus rest of the sentence. Examples worked out. Number 1. I can solve the problem. Answer. The problem can be solved by me. Number 2. You should respect your elders. Answer. Your elders should be respected by you. Number 3. I must solve the riddle. Answer. The riddle must be solved by me. Number 4. He could help me. Answer. I could be helped by him. Number 5. You may take this book. Answer. This book may be taken by you. ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা,